Mattress Mac here at Gallery Furniture. We are enrolling people that want to learn and earn at the fabulous Work Texas training facility right here at Gallery Furniture North Freeway, 6006 I-45 North between Temple Park. We have had hundreds of young people come through and get great paying jobs out from the Work Texas show at Gallery Furniture, and we are opening a new showroom of Work Texas, and it's going to be starting in late January. We're enrolling now before the holidays, and go to the website at www.worktexas.org to sign up. Sign up now for the January classes at Work Texas. You can learn how to be a skilled masonry person, plumbing, commercial electrical, carpentry, pipe fitting, building maintenance, patient care technician, computer literacy, AI, chip making, furniture manufacturing, and drone making. We're going to do lots of things here. We're going to get you a job that AI can't knock you out of, a job you can have a great career and make a lot of money and make a difference for yourself and your family. You can call my cell phone, 281-844-1963. I will really answer it. I am not a robot, and we'll get you to Work Texas, and we'll get you to work and making a lot of money and change the trajectory of your life forever, because work is truly life's greatest therapy.